Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the English language lessons that we offer online. One of the strange things about teaching online over recent weeks has been watching a number of my students suffering from COVID. Quite a few students in a range of different countries have had COVID but have still been able to come to class. So it's been strangely fascinating watching the different ways it affects people in different places. One of my students in a class this morning told me that she'd just been tested and she tested positive for COVID. I asked how she knew that she'd got the virus, and she told me that she'd been feeling quite run down for the last week or so. She'd been feeling very frazzled, very low energy, and she'd had a bit of a blocked nose and a sore throat. But to begin with, she thought this might just be flu or a bit of a cold, until yesterday she woke up and realised she'd lost her sense of smell and lost her sense of taste, and that is a surefire sign that it's COVID. If you say that something is a surefire sign, you mean it's a definite sign or a certain sign of something. Surefire is often used to mean certain or very, very likely. So maybe you see an actor perform incredibly well in a movie and you think, that's a surefire Oscar winner, that performance. Maybe someone releases a new book or a new song or a new movie and you think it's going to do really, really well. So you describe it as a surefire hit. It's almost certain to be a hit. In the same way, it can also be used with negative ideas. Sometimes I watch my kids playing with fire and I tell them, hey, if you want to get hurt, that's a surefire way to make it happen. Keep going. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section, we'd love to hear examples of surefire signs or surefire ways of doing things, surefire winners, surefire hits.